Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Impala key fob. First, ensure you have every key fob you want to program with you, including any existing ones. Next, insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, find the vehicle information button, usually on your dashboard. Now, press the vehicle information button repeatedly until you see Press to Relearn Remote Key on your display. Once that message appears, press the Set or Reset button, which often has a check mark, until the display shows Remote Key Learning active. Your Impala is now ready to learn new key fobs. Take your first key fob. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 15 seconds until you hear an audible chime from your vehicle. This chime confirms that the key fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this exact process for any other key fobs you wish to program. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. This action will exit the programming mode. Finally, test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly with your Impala. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.